Today, I am going to be decorating a newish to me layout, the OG Happy Planner horizontal layout, using one of the new sticker books from Live Love Posh. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. My name is Tracy and I am a girl with plans. So I'll get into this layout in a bit, but I want to tell you that I'm going to be using one of the sticker books that's going to be released on October the 10th from Live Love Posh. There is going to be a total of 4 sticker books, which you can either buy them individually or as part of a box set. I did a full unboxing and flip through of all 4 of the sticker books in an earlier video. I will have that linked down in the description box. There's also going to be PET tape. Those are going to come together as a set with all of these gorgeous blooms on them. Or you can buy your 2025 Posh paper packs. Like I said, I will have more information coming up on my community tab, but if you want to see the full flip through of all 4 sticker books, definitely be sure to check out my flip through video. So, as I said, I'm going to be using a newish to me layout. This is the Happy Planner horizontal. And even though I just did a Franken Planner setup, I did change things. So this is going to be what I'm going to be using for my social media weekly planning in lieu of my teacher layout. Teacher layout working fine, but you know, we're just going to change things up. Why not? No one says you have to stick to one thing forever. All right. So flipping through this, I mean, these would be really gorgeous. These are really pretty, like fallish colors. These might be a little bright. I really like these. I think I want to use these. You can use any color florals. I think, so when I was doing my flip through, I was chatting about how the one thing I really like about this sticker book is I feel like the boxes and things like that are so pretty that you could do a box only spread, or you could do a heavy decorative spread just using all of the florals. So it's kind of up to you. Like these boxes right here, like if I were to use these boxes, I probably would not use as many of the florals, just because these boxes are just going to be like the star of the show. I think if I use them today, it might take up a little bit too much room in my horizontal. Now I'm like switching things because of these boxes. Maybe I should do it. Let's do it. Let's just change things up and use this set. I mean, all of these are kind of like, because of the deep look, you can use them any time of the year, including fall. So yeah, we'll just use these so I can pop some of these stickers down in here to kind of take up some of the space for the decorative stuff. And then we have our washi strips here as well. So yeah, we'll see what we come up with. Yeah, it's going to take me a little bit to get used to this layout. So this is a planner that I picked up earlier in the year. It's an 18-month planner. I got it on clearance at Michael's. I got it for like less than 10 bucks. So that's the reason why I got it. Okay, how many do I have? Okay, I have 4. I think that might be all I need because I could do this for my videos. Let's do it. Sorry, I get sidetracked because I have to think. So, I purchased this and I was like, I hadn't really been in a Happy Planner horizontal as a planner. I used it for my reading journal before when I was using a discount system, but I hadn't really used it as a planner. So I was like, you know what? Let's do it. Let's try it. However, you know, fast forward to like new planner season and y'all, I'm getting like intrigued by other planners. And I have made some purchases. Now, whether or not I use the planners that I purchased, I don't know. I am waiting on one to come in. Actually, it's 2, but one of them's like an undated that I'm not going to use next year. I was just paying so much for shipping that I figured, hey, might as well get it now. Okay. See? Just boxes. All right. So I think we're going to start with function. And we have these. So I'm going to put some bullet points down. And I never know where my, okay, here my tweezers are. Okay, so even though I have a story to tell, I'm going to put the bullet points down first. And then we'll get into like the reason why I'm changing things up and what I'm thinking about for my social media planner after I put the bullet points down. All right, so I'm getting ready to put boxes on them. I'm like, oh, wait a minute, I'm filming a video. Let's use some of the washi strips first before I put the box down. So I like the burgundy. I kind of like the simple ones, y'all. I think I'm liking the simple ones. Like, I think I'm liking the burgundy. So I am ordering, like I said, I ordered another planner or planners. I did not intend to order this planner. I had been looking, I'm not going to lie. I had been looking at like Hobonichi and things like that, but those are just, I don't know. I don't know if I could use that type of, I don't know. I'm not sure if that would work for me. But as I used this last week, or I'm currently using it the week that I'm filming it, so I haven't finished using it. But it's still a lot of space left over. And I think, honestly, like functionally, I could get away with something that is kind of like a week style that has like enough room for checklists and things like that. So I've just been kind of thinking about different things. Nothing crazy. And then Ara Estelle had a sale on, why don't I want to start it at the edge? Had a sale on, like an oops sale. So I started buying covers because they were really good prices for a lot of their covers, like 50-60% off. And I have some like notebooks and things like that that I would not mind having covers for. And then I saw there was a Weeks zip cover. And I do not have a Weeks. I don't have anything that's sized for Weeks. But I was like, that makes a really good wallet. Just the size and like how it is. It's like, you know, that's like the size of a wallet and it zips, which is perfect. And I ended up getting a free notebook. Like I said, when it comes in, I will do a haul video to show you guys what I got. But then I was like, well, the Zippy didn't come with a free notebook. It's just because I spent enough money to get a free notebook. But then I'm like, why not go ahead and try Weeks? They had them on sale there. So I'm like, you know what? We're going to try it. And the more I think about it, I think I could use it in tandem with my Happy Planner monthly layout. Because my Happy Planner monthly layout would be in a planner like it is now, like housed like in a Franken planner. How is that so crooked? And so it's not like I'll be carrying anything extra around. I mean, the Weeks would be extra, but I wouldn't be carrying like an extra discbound. And I like that for my pre-planning and things like that. So I really do like using the Happy Planner monthly. I just cannot plan out function stuff there. All right. Let's go to now stickers. So, all right, I think what I'm going to do is on the days where there's nothing, I'm going to put a floral sticker over here. So we have small ones and we have big ones. I say go big, right? So I'm getting it on sale. It's like a 2024, because the 2024 was like more than half off. And because I've never tried it, I didn't want, even though it is going to be a little bit of a pain to redate, I just feel like I'd rather pay like $23, I think is what it was, versus like $45 for an outdated version that I can redate just in case it doesn't work for me. And it actually comes like two separate ones. So like the first half of the year and the second half of the year. So that works too. So that way, if I don't like it, I don't have to actually toss it completely. So I'm excited. I don't know 100% if that is the plan, but it is something I'm thinking about. Because I think I would use it kind of more like a notebook. And I think that could be kind of cool. And which is a bummer because now I have this planner, but I'm using it now. So it's not a complete waste. And I could, you know, unhaul it. I would not unhaul it right away. Just in case the other one doesn't work, then I would go to this. But it is just something I'm thinking about and just wanted to kind of throw it out there about, I mean, I know a lot of you that might be watching this do not do like social media planning or anything, but like if you do something where your setup is similar, you might feel me on it as far as just changing planners and like not sure if like a new layout's gonna work. But you know, I've used different layouts for social media planning. I haven't used the horizontal, but it works. It's mostly list. I mean, it's kind of what I do. So all right, y'all. Like I almost feel like, I think the only thing about this layout is I do feel like, I mean, I've only done it once, but I do feel like it makes me a minimalist when it comes to decorating. That it does. It makes me a minimalist when it comes to decorating. Something needs to go here. I don't know if I want, do they have checklists or just the bullet points? Just the bullet points. I mean, I could use the green ones. All right, so I've done that. I added some boxes there. I feel like I need a little bit like over here. But I also feel like I don't need much. Let's pull out a fall quote. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Maybe I should do it on clear. In the Autumn Allure, you have a page of clear stickers and a page of matte white stickers. You do not realize how helpful that is. Like right now, I was like trying to figure out which one to do. Let's see. Maybe we'll do it like that. There we go. All right, it's always great to add a quote. Or do I just need to move that over? I was trying to put the change because the change is what's hard to see. I can't figure out how to place it, y'all. All right, let's start putting this down. Like there. Ah. Okay. There we go. Okay, I'm kind of liking this, y'all. I mean, I am liking this. It's like really, really cute. Okay, is there anything else? Maybe something down here? Maybe I can do another, no, I probably need another box here. So I'm filming this the week before, if you couldn't tell. So I'm still trying to figure out exactly what's going on. Sometimes I don't always know what's going on until the week of. So that's why I kind of have to sometimes like leave space. That looks almost exactly like that. So I'm trying to figure out exactly what goes where. And then I'm going to do the smaller one beside it. There we go. Okay, I think that looks cute. All right, I want another box up here. I just want a plain one. I don't want to kind of... Let's do the green. Okay. I think that's it. All right, guys. So, as I was getting ready to put it on the disc, I stopped and I rearranged the stickers. So the floral sticker was really bugging me because you could see like part of the quote, but the word change was really hard to see. So I ended up moving it underneath of it, and I like the way that looks better. And then I was like, now I feel like I need to add a box to go along with that box. So I added a box there. And then I'm like, it's too box heavy over here and not over here. So then I added a box here and here. Now I'm absolutely loving this spread. And if I like actually take account, there are more functional stickers on this page than decorative stickers. There are more boxes and bullet points than there are decorative stickers. There are only a handful of the floral stickers at all on here, and this looks super decorative. So I'm really, really pleased with how this turned out. Again, I pulled stickers from the Jewel Tone Blooms sticker book. Everything on here was from this sticker book, from the washi strips, the bullet points, and everything. This is definitely an all-in-one sticker book. There are 3 more companion sticker books you can buy as well. They are all Lush Blooms, different types of color palettes. As I said, I will have my flip through linked down in the description box, and definitely mark your planners for October the 10th when all of these sticker books plus some other goodies are being released. So yeah, that's all I have, guys. This was fun. It's fun because it was a new layout that, you know, is always kind of a challenge to decorate, which makes things interesting, right? We'll see how long we stick with it. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I'll stick with it through the end of the year. Maybe. We'll see. And then we'll kind of see where 2025 takes us about whether or not I go this route or go a completely different route. That is TBD. But for now, this seems to be working. So yeah, we'll keep it up for at least the next few months. All right, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed this plan with me video. If you did, please press that like button. And if you have yet to subscribe, I hope you would also consider subscribing. That is all I have for now. I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening or night. Until next time, bye.